Let me show you two different methods of creating links between slides in your PowerPoint presentation. So here I am, I got 4 different slides. Let's make a link straight from slide number 1 to slide number 4. Head to Insert, and now we're going to use the zoom feature. Here it is. We want to insert a certain slide using the zoom feature. So slide zoom, slide number 4, insert. And now I will got this a miniature here. I can make it really tiny or rather large, depends on your needs. So I got this miniature of another slide. If I click on it during the slideshow, it will take me straight to that slide that is showing this picture here. We call this a zoom transition that will go straight to the slide you have selected. You can even apply some image effects on this miniature here. So if you like, you can put some shadow around it or frame around it. So it act like normal image until you click on it. Then it will take you to that slide. It's a really underrated feature. So let's test it out. So now I'm in the presentation mode. If I click anywhere on my slide, I naturally go to slide number 2, 3, and 4. Let's go back. What if I click this miniature here? I zoom in to the slide number 4 straight away. So that's a really good way of linking different slides. Let me show you one more method. This time let's make a link here on the slide number 4 by doing a button. So we need to insert a shape. Any shape will do. That will work as our button. Double tap, you can type on it if you like. I type go to slide 2. Of course, you can make it more informative. And now let's select a color for this button. I don't need a line around it. I can make the text a bit larger as well. But it's just a shape with a text on it. We cannot click on it yet. We need to insert a link. So click on that shape, go to Insert and select a link. Now I can link to a web page or a file, but I can also change to this document and simply select a slide. I want to link to the slide number 2. OK. Let's try it out. Slideshow. If I click on this, I go to slide number 2. 3, 4, I click on the button again. I'm in the slide number 2. Alright, so that's how you can create links between different slides. You can add a miniature like this using Insert, Zoom, or make a shape, then click on it and insert a link to create a button. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next one.